The inspiration of the modern barn room dates back to the Great Hall of the Middle Ages, where all the action took place. In the modern barn room, one or two walls are mostly glass, bringing the outside in and the inside out. The length and width of the room afford abundant space for 18-foot-long kitchen islands with a back wall creating a modern galley kitchen. The most popular kitchen layout in modern design. It's easy to work in and entertain in and socialize with family and friends. Adjacent to the modern barn kitchen, we allow space for the kitchen within a kitchen. In this design, it is a kitchen behind a kitchen, allowing us to include the vaulted height of the barn room and ample fenestration to create a feeling of light, bright space. The experience the client has in the modern barn room, a part of the modern barn architecture, is the organic feeling kindled by bringing nature indoors. Beyond the barn room, we extend the home square footage and entertaining capabilities with covered dining spaces, which leads to the garden.